one of the youngest mayor in the R6. He actually hails from Mindanao, a very snappy ex-bag, no? And he is also the president of the Bugo Bugo in Mindanao, no? Actually, he has an award last year as Outstanding Mayor of Mindanao, no? Awarded by Philippine Media and Mindanao Inquirer, no? We are privileged to have this one of ours, and I'm sure he will have a lot of good message for our younger classes and even for the entire R6. Let me welcome our youngest mayor from Mindanao, no? Mayor Marcos Alinur, fondly called as Mamay, no?
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give him a round of applause, please.
My dearest classmates or visitors in the Philippine Military Academy, sirs and folks, ladies and gentlemen, still Happy New Year and Happy Valentine's. With candid and sincerity, I am affectionately emotional today because for several years since we departed from each other, from our beloved alma mater, the esteemed and remarkable Philippine Military Academy, some of you are haunting in my solitary dreams, seeing how we carefully shared the agony of the blazing cold of Baguio City, the horrifying shouts of our superiors for various commands, the death-defying challenges of bunches of trainings and painful ordeals and the like, so forth and so on. All these varying, terrible experiences molded and shaped us as what we are now, physically, mentally, and behaviorally. To bring us back in the PMA, always recall the band's book amalgamation of rules, laws, principles, doctrines, and ideologies injected into our hearts and minds by our institution, the Philippine Military Academy, from the start to the end. And I summarize them into one sentence. That is, man is created on earth to establish an ideal family, to form a placid community of love in a civilized society of harmony, to create a country of solidarity and prosperity under a regime of equality, justice, respect for human rights, democracy, and freedom from fear and criminalities, in the path and glory of God. We were trained for the welfare and protection of the Filipino nation, for the Republic of the Philippines, and for the satisfaction and magnificence of the Almighty God, who cares for us, and to whom we shall all return. The best soldier is a soldier of God and country, and the best politician is a politician of God and the Republic. I am very certain that after our training at PMA, some continue to uphold the ideals of the Academy. Some did not. Those who remain loyal to the vision and mission of PMA deserve the congratulations of everyone. And to those who did not, deserve our prayers for their survival. After my departure from the Academy, I was asking myself, what is life after PMA? I answered myself by following the teaching of PMA. I said to myself, if I survive the painful ordeals of PMA, why I cannot survive the challenges of achieving success the rest of my life. I got copy of the Holy Quran translated in English. I got copy of the DILG book and the Philippine Constitution. I secured copies of the world history and the Philippine history and continued reading them thoroughly. Got their lessons, got their techniques and styles in governance, and socially mixed up myself in the community, especially in my native municipality, Inunungan, Lanao del Norte. I fraternalized myself with all the people, especially the poor. I saw and feel the problems and needs. I organized the youth sector to help me organizing the entire municipality with the advices of the elders, and finally come up with the feasibility study of effectively addressing the problems of the place. Hence, on May 9, 2016, I was brought by the people to mayorship. My dear fellow associates, my victory was not only due to my capacity, but the mercy of God and the sympathy of the people of Nunungan, due to my upbringings, culture, and training from PME about love, the needy, the weak, the innocent, the oppressed, the youth, and the elderly. With the help of God, through my strong attachment to the PNP and the EFP, with the cooperation of my constituents, I proudly inform you that Nunungan, Lanao del Norte is totally drug-free and almost crime-free area. Before ending my most intimate conversation with you, my dearest fellow associates, guests, ladies and gentlemen, may I most respectfully remind you that life in this world is only temporary. Everything we earned materially and the status and possessions we hold will leave behind. We shall be taking journey to our supposed permanent life, and that is hereafter. The only thing we could leave behind are first, our good reputation that we have made in providing better life for our people. And second, our legacies we made that make life easier and happier for everyone. We PME products must be the supposed model citizens and individuals in our society and country. Let us give and dedicate our everything for God, our republic, and the Filipino nation. So I love you all and long live. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much,